All right. We're going to be a short one today. So let's get started, yeah? So we'll start with our basics here of curling in through the shoulders and lifting up and out. And curl in and up and out. And breathe in and out. Think about squeezing the shoulder blades here. And now round up and separate the shoulder blades. Open and compress. Open and compress. Cool. Cross the legs over, the back leg, same arm, come over and just do a couple of little pulses. Really in a nice sideways position here. Pulse over and release. Pulse over and release. And we're popping this hip over a little bit. Just helps us get in. And the other way. Do a couple more. Okay, staying normal. We're going to step to the right and reach to the right, the left hand opposite. So just lengthen out there as if you're going to reach for something on the bench. But put a little bit more stretch into it, a little bit more boom. Lovely. 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Cross the arms over. You're going to tip forward, so tip over, so your flat back. Tip, and stand. Take your bottom back and stand. Good. Eyes forward. Keep your eyes looking forward at the wall in front of you or the tree if you're somewhere nice. Lovely, 2 more. And 1 more. A little bit of rotation. Swing around. Cool. And 1 more round. Curl up and open up. Curl up and open up. Lift up through here. Curl up and open up. Curl up and open up. Curl up and open up. Cross the legs, back leg. Same side arm. Pulse over. One more. To the side. Good. Feet shoulder width apart. I'm going to stretch and reach. Step, reach, step, reach. 1 more each side. And then our good mornings. Cross the arms over. Good morning. Tip and stand. Nice job. Lovely. Good. So that's just a quick rundown today. So if you're looking for a little bit more, just jump onto my YouTube channel, Jo Cordell Cooper, and find the playlist that's got all the workplace stuff in it. Right? For fun. But yeah.